Let's learn how to fix missing features on TikTok. So you might have seen that many people have some features and options that you don't. I will show you 2 things that might help you fix that. If features didn't appear even after doing that, stay until the end of video, and I will give you an explanation why these methods didn't help. So let's start by opening your TikTok application. Note that these methods might be known from somewhere. From your home page, go to your profile by pressing profile icon in bottom right corner. After you did that, search for 3 horizontal lines in top right corner and press them. New pop-up will appear. You want to click on Settings and Privacy. When you do so, it will open New Settings page. You will scroll down a bit until you find Free Up Space option. Click on it. This will lead us to clear application cache. So cache is some unnecessary memory that might cause TikTok errors and bugs. By clearing it, your problem should be fixed. Let's now clear the cache option first. You will do that by tapping on Clear button near the cache mark. When new pop-up appeared, just tap on Clear again. Same method goes for Downloads option. Now if this didn't help, you can also clear cache memory from your phone settings option. So let's go there too. Exit TikTok, and from your home screen go to Settings application. When you did that, search for General option. Scroll down until you find it, then go there. New page with many options will appear. Seek for iPhone storage option. It's in the middle of screen and tap it. Once you did that, scroll down again until you find TikTok application. When you did, click on it. When the new page appears, click on this blue offload button. That will kind of reset your entire app. When pop-up appear, click on it again and wait until loading finishes. New reinstall button will appear. Just tap it and wait for a few minutes until app finish installing. When you did, these features should be visible now. Now if this didn't help, it might be because you have some restrictions on your account that can be caused by age, location, or some other stuff you put. When you created account, try creating new account with different informations and stuff and see if it has new features within. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.